Clearing your search history on Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is removed. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and transactions. Step 2. Access Apple Pay settings. Tap on the three dots or the settings icon in the upper right corner of the Wallet app. This will take you to the Apple Pay settings. Step 3. Select Transaction History. Scroll down to find the Transaction History option. Tap on it to view your recent transactions and search history related to Apple Pay. Step 4. Clear Search History. Look for the option to clear or delete your search history. This may be labeled as Clear History or Delete Recent Transactions. Confirm your choice to remove the history. Step 5. Restart the Wallet app. Close the Wallet app completely and then reopen it. This will ensure that any changes made are fully applied and your search history is cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Apple Pay. Regularly clearing your history can help maintain your privacy and keep your transactions organized.